Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and studying well as well. So बच्चों, जो भी moral science के chapters हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, I'm sure कि आपको उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी सीख मिल रही है जो आप अपने लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो. सो बच्चों, एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है अपने लाइफ का जो है फ्रेंडशिप. We all have friends, we all love making friends, but do we really keep that friendship? Okay, are we really true friends, or are we just showing on the face and being something else behind the back? So children, these things are very important in life. Okay, we have got this beautiful gift of friendship. That's what we are going to talk about in this chapter. Okay, so children, understand करना कि friendship जो है वो केवल ऐसे फेस पे दिखावा करने वाली फ्रेंडशिप नहीं होनी चाहिए. फ्रेंडशिप जो है उसको आपको निभाना है. Okay, and you must always talk good. Okay, not only on the face but behind the back also. ऐसा नहीं हो कि फेस पे तो आप बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो and behind the back you are talking evil about others. Okay, or about your friends. So friendship में it has to be, at all times, behind, in front, everywhere. You should keep up to that friendship. Alright, so let's get in gear. Think about the people you consider good friends. Okay, what makes them special and why do you value their friendship? Create a list of 3 qualities that you think are essential for being a good friend. So बच्चों, आपके हिसाब से okay, who are good friends? Good friends कौन होते हैं? Okay, उनको special क्यों कहा जा सकता है? And how do they value their friendship? Okay, आपको ऐसे 3 qualities बताने हैं जो एक अच्छा दोस्त बनने के लिए आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. Okay, let's discuss these questions. What is the importance of having friends in our lives? Why do we need friends? Okay, there are certain things that we can do with our friends, that we can talk about with our friends. Okay, because they are of your age group. Okay, and if we cannot say everything to our parents, so sometimes we need someone who can understand us, who is at the same level with us, who can help us in school, okay, or outside while playing and all. So that is the reason why we need friends. They are our biggest support system after our parents and teachers. Okay, how can we help cheer someone, okay, who is feeling sad or lonely? So अगर ऐसा कोई बच्चा होगा जो sad feel कर रहा है, lonely feel कर रहा है, तो आप उनको कैसे cheer up कर सकते हो? What are the different methods? What is one thing that you can do to make someone feel happy? Okay, किसी को खुश करने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो? Why is it important to listen when someone shares their problems with you? अगर कोई आपके साथ अपना मन हल्का कर रहा है, अपने problem share कर रहा है, तो how can you support that person? A, by listening to them carefully. Okay. B, let them speak, open up their mind completely. And C, suggest them something which is good for them, okay, or else just listen to them and pacify that person. That's it. They don't need more than that. Okay, how can being hopeful help us in difficult situation? कभी कभी लाइफ में ना ऐसी difficult situations आती है जब हमें give up करना होता है, but do not give up. Keep that hope that this time will also pass. So now let's talk about the window of the soul. There were 2 men, Alex and Brian, who shared the same hospital room. They were both seriously ill and bedridden. Alex had a bed next to the room's only window. He was allowed to sit up in his bed for an hour each afternoon to help him drain fluids from his lungs, while Brian had to spend all his time lying flat on his back. So there are 2 men, एक होता है Alex और एक होता है Brian. अब ये दोनों भी सेम हॉस्पिटल रूम में होते. ओके, अब दोनों ही बहुत बीमार है एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर बेड रिटन. सो एलेक्स का जो बेड होता है वो रूम में जो खिड़की थी उसके पास है. ओके, एंड उसको परमिशन था दैट ही कुड सिट अप हिज बेड फॉर एन आवर, ओके, ईच आफ्टरनून, सो दैट ही कुड हेल्प ड्रेन हिज फ्लूइड्स फ्रॉम द लंग. सो 1 घंटा वो मतलब बैठ सकता है कभी भी दिन में. ब्रायन जो है उसको फ्लैट अपने बैक पे लाई डाउन करना है एट ऑल टाइम्स. So the 2 roommates quickly bonded and started talking for hours on end. They discussed their lives, their jobs, children, wives. So in no time they became good friends. So one day Brian expressed how he envied Alex and wished he could see the view outside and feel connected to the world. अब ये दोनों रूममेट्स जो है बहुत जल्दी अच्छे दोस्त बन गए. ओके, एक दूसरे के साथ दे स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग. फिर उन्होंने अपने जॉब्स के बारे में बात किया, उनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में बात किया, उनकी बीवी बच्चे सब के बारे में बात करके नाउ दे हैव बिकम गुड फ्रेंड्स. तो एक दिन बात करते करते ब्रायन ने एक्सप्रेस कर देता है कि हाउ ही एनवीज एलेक्स बिकॉज एलेक्स कुड सिट अप एंड लुक आउटसाइड द विंडो. ओके, and he wished that how I wish that I could view also get to see what's outside. So from that day on Alex began describing all the things he could see outside the window. So Alex क्या decide करता है कि because Brian had no permission to get up and sit, तो वो decide करता है कि every day afternoon I will help I will share what I could see with Brian. So Alex ना खिड़की से झाँक के सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्राइब करने लगा for Brian. Every day for an hour he would describe to Brian how the window overlooked a lovely park with a lake. Ducks played on the lake while children sailed their model boats. So अब हर दिन जो 1 घंटा उसको मिलता था उस टाइम पे वो बाहर देखता था और उसको बताता था ब्रायन को कि दैट की विंडो के बाहर एक सुंदर सा पार्क है, there is a lake in that, ducks are playing in the lake, children are sailing their paper boats in the lake and all. So young lovers, they are walking arm in arm amidst flowers of every color and a fine view of the city skyline could be seen in the distance. So वो कहता है कि there are couples in the park, okay, who are walking together and you can see the city का skyline also. Okay, so Brian began to live for that 1 hour, okay, where he could hear and visualize the world outside the hospital room. अब वो 1 घंटा उसको जैसे ना ऐसा लगता था कि I am living that life of whatever Alex is describing. So that hour broadened his world and he felt enlivened by all the activity and color of the outside world. Okay, अब वो सुन के used to feel quite positive, okay, and lively about all the activities that are happening around, and he could feel the colors of the world which is outside. So during their conversations, Alex shared stories of his own life, filled with laughter and love. So अब बातें करते करते एलेक्स अपनी ज़िंदगी की कहानियाँ बताता था, अपनी स्टोरीज बताता था. Then they used to laugh together. They used to talk about love. So he spoke of his family gatherings, the joy of watching his children grow and the simple pleasures of life that he missed. Okay, अब वो family gatherings के बारे में बताने लगा. Okay, how he has how happy he used to feel to see his children grow. Okay, and simple pleasures of life, okay, that now he is missing. So Brian listened intently, feeling the warmth of friendship and inspiration from Alex's words. Okay, Brian शांति से सिर्फ सुनता रहता था. Okay, and he could feel that warmth in that friendship. Okay, and he used to get inspired. Alex जो भी कहता था उसको inspiration मिलती थी. So this connection, it gave Brian hope, helping him through the tough days in the hospital. So ये जो कहानियाँ थी उससे उसको hope मिलता था to face the tough days in the hospital. So one fine afternoon, Alex described a parade passing by. Although Brian could not hear the parade, he could visualize it as Alex vividly described it. Days and weeks passed by. So एक दिन दोपहर को Alex जो है वो Brian को एक parade की description दे रहा है. Okay, that a parade is passing by. So parade का जो sound होता है, band का जो sound होता है वो तो Brian को आता नहीं है, but फिर भी he starts visualizing. Okay, depending on what Alex is describing. Okay, so days and weeks they passed by. Now, one morning when the nurse on duty arrived for the morning round to examine the condition of the 2 patients, she found the lifeless body of Alex. So, एक दिन सुबह जब नर्स अपनी ड्यूटी पे आती है तब वो देखती है कि Alex is lying dead. Okay, she felt the lifeless body of Alex. He had peacefully embraced his death in his sleep. वो नींद में ही उसकी डेथ हो गई थी. So the nurse sadly called the doctor who confirmed the news. अब डॉक्टर आते हैं चेक करते हैं and it is confirmed that he is no more. The hospital attendants were called to take the body away. अब hospital के जो attendants थे वो आते body को ले जाने के लिए. Now Brian grieved the death of his roommate. अब Brian जो है he felt sad, okay, that he is dead. Alex is dead. He started missing the way Alex described the view out of the window. अब उसको वो मिस करने लगता है कि Alex हमेशा view describe करता था window के बाहर का, and also he started missing that. The next day, in the hope of having a peek out of the window and the beautiful world outside, Brian asked if he could be moved next to the window. The nurse happily made the switch. अभी next day, Brian express करता है to the nurse that I want to shift where Alex's bed was, on that bed, okay, and he wanted to peek out of the window, उसको window के बाहर देखना था, and he wanted to look at the beautiful world outside. So nurse switch कर देती है उसकी side, okay. As soon as he was comfortable in his new bed, Brian slowly and painfully propped himself up to take his first look at the world outside, okay. जैसे ही उसका बेड शिफ्ट हो जाता है, धीरे धीरे कोशिश करके ब्रायन he tries to sit and peep outside, okay, to look out the window. The nurse delightedly watched as he attempted to sit on the bed after weeks. But as he strained to slowly turn and look out of the window besides him, he was stunned to see a blank wall outside. So जैसे ही अब nurse जो है वो काफ़ी खुश थी to see that Brian is attempting to sit, because all these days he was just lying on the bed. So she was like really happy to see that कि वो improve हो रहा है and he is trying to look out. But जब उसने विंडो के बैठ के विंडो के बाहर झाँका ब्रायन ने, तब उसने क्या देखा, तो सामने सिर्फ एक ब्लैंक वॉल खड़ी है. There is nothing to see from here. Where are all the things, wonderful things that Alex had described? He asked the nurse. अब वो नर्स से पूछते कि यहाँ पे तो कुछ सुंदर है ही नहीं, वो सारी ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ें हैं कहाँ जो एलेक्स डिस्क्राइब करता था. The nurse shook her head and answered his questions. Perhaps he just wanted to cheer you up and make you happy. You see, your roommate was totally blind. अब नर्स कहती है to Brian, तुम्हें पता है कि शायद से Alex wanted to bring about a cheer on your face. Okay, शायद Alex wanted to see you feel happy. Okay, and that is the reason why he was describing everything which did not exist. And on top of that, the nurse tells him that आपको पता है आपका जो roommate था Alex, he was blind. So children, this is what Alex did for Brian in order to make him happy. Okay, he created those stories, okay, in spite of being blind. Okay, he was creating those stories and telling them to Brian, because of which Brian's condition was improving. Unfortunately, Alex died. So this is what friends do for others in order to see a happiness and cheer on the other person's face. Okay, they go to any extent. Alright, so children, what is the key message here? True friendship can bring light and hope to dark days. Okay, so कभी कभी हमारे जीवन में ऐसे challenges आते हैं, tough times आते हैं, तो उनको lighten up करने के लिए true friendship can always bring about some light and hope. It highlights how one person's kindness and imagination can uplift another person, okay, even when they are faced with hardship, okay. जो बताता है कि अगर कोई आपसे, when you behave kindly with others, okay, your imagination, it can uplift another person, okay. It reminds us to value the unseen struggles of others and power of compassion. Alright, so what are the things that we need to keep in mind? Good friends help and comfort each other, especially during tough times. So good friends जो होते हैं वो हमेशा tough time में भी आपका साथ देंगे and easy time में भी आपका साथ देंगे, okay, and they will always be there for you and they will make your life very comfortable. Small acts of kindness can make others feel happy and supported. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जब हम करते हैं दूसरों के लिए by being kind to others, वो दूसरों को खुश भी कर देते हैं and they support also each other. Having hope gives us the strength to face difficult situations. जब हमारे पास उम्मीद होती है, okay, we can get that strength to face difficult situations. Imagination helps us escape from problems and feel better. जब हम imagine करते हैं चीज़ों को, they will help us to escape from the problems and also make us feel better. Thinking about others' happiness before your own can make a big difference and build stronger relation. अपनी खुशियों से ज़्यादा दूसरों की खुशियों को जब हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं और ज़्यादा वैल्यू देते हैं, ओके, दैट हेल्प्स अस टू बिल्ड stronger relationships and bigger friendships also with others. Alright, so children, now quickly reread the chapter and get on to the quiz. Get going.